She and I had a son when we were just 18. I joined the military mostly just to make money so I could support him. 18 years later, he joined the military because he loved our country and he wanted to make it a better place. Boy, was it an improvement on me in every way.
What?
He passed on about 2 years back.
What did you get?
Flag is right. Peacemaker.
Maybe they'll take me wherever they took the dog. I don't know how else to find him.
It's a dog.
Yeah, he's not a very good one, but he's out there alone. And he's probably scared.
Where's my dog?
Okay, well, this is why he has behavioral issues.
No boundaries.
Late, you fucking dickheads.
People there are simple and profoundly confused. Weak of mind, spirit, and body. Lord over the planet as the last son of Krypton.
You was unclean when you were born, and even more so when you killed your brother.
I love you, Rose. I probably should have told him that a long time ago.
Best dimension ever.
I know. This is messed up. These guys.
Fucking idiots.
I cherish peace with all my heart. I don't care how many men, women, and children I need to kill to get it.
Never be able to get the fuck away.
I created the Moravian military conflict so I'd have an excuse to kill you. What a! What a! What a! What a! What a! What a!
I know you all aren't exactly enthusiastic about this mission.